In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Canon LBP122dw printer to your Mac computer and also how to print using Wi-Fi. Step number one is to connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as the one that your Mac is currently connected to. So let's go on this small display over here. I'll show you how this is done. Alright, so you're going to press the OK button to turn on the display. Once the display is turned on, you're going to press the down arrow again and select Menu. Press OK. Over here we need to select Preferences, so press the down arrow and then OK. Go down until you select Network. Press OK. And now all we have to do is to select Wireless LAN, which is the second option right over here, and press OK. Select Yes by pressing the left side arrow and OK. So over here we have all the Wi-Fi networks that it has found, and you need to select yours. So this is mine and I'll press OK. Wait a few seconds and it will ask you to enter the password. Here we go. So you're going to have a keyboard down below if you press the down arrow. I know it's not very easy, but you're going to navigate like this. Okay, and once you found the letter or the number you want to type, press OK. Once you're done typing, go back up and select Apply. Then Yes. And at the end, you're going to get connected. This is a confirmation that everything went well. Now on your Mac computer, you're going to go on the top left corner and click the Apple logo. Then you're going to select System Settings. You're going to go down in this left side menu until you select Printers and Scanners. And then you're going to go down on the right side and select Add Printer, Scanner or Fax. Over here you should see your Canon printer, so click on it until it's selected in blue, and then you're going to click on Add. Your Canon printer has been added to your Mac and it's ready to be used. So you're going to open any PDF file, any pictures, anything you want to print on your Mac. You're going to go on the top corner over here, top left corner, select File, and then select Print. Where you see Printer, you're going to select Canon LBP121 or 122. And here you have other settings you can change. The most important one that most people would want is to print on double-sided paper. So if you want to print on both sides of the page, you need to turn this on. Over here, this is just one page. This is one. It's grayed out. I cannot select it since there's only one page to be printed. Press Print once you're ready, and it should print quite quickly. Here we go. It took almost just 3 seconds. So this printer is able to print quite quickly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like. Check my Amazon links down below to get paper for this printer, but I have also put a link towards the replacement toner for this model. So check this out. You subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.